afternoon, my YouTubers. Biker Dave here in the shop again. Looking at a crankcase here on a YZ250. And see my previous video on how we removed a stubborn dowel pin that's usually, you know, right here and over here. Previous video shows how we got these out, which were a little bit stubborn, but we did it. Another quick little thing I want to show you on how to, like if you've got little chambers like these where the dowel pins are, or anywhere there's you know, Loctite or crud or whatnot inside a small hole that you want to just clean out. Here's what I use, among other things. Get you one of these right here. It's basically a gun maintenance set, you know, for a firearm. And it comes with all kinds of nifty brushes, you know, little brass brushes and soft brushes. You know, a really nice setup that's perfect for cleaning out round chambers. And, you know, not only can you use the little handles that come with them, you can also use them on your drill. They'll attach right to, you know, any standard drill. So imagine if we wanted to clean out one of these chambers here where the dowel pins were removed. You put the appropriate sized brush on it, and then you'll just go to town on it right there. Let me show you how it works real quick. All right, so let's say we've got a crusty chamber right here where these dowel pins were removed, and it's very common for them to be all kind of carboned up or gunked up, and you need to clean them before you install new dowel pins. So find the appropriately sized brush, which could be this guy right here, and you can put it on, you know, use like a slow setting and just go for it. You know, this is a brass brush, so it's not going to really damage anything. And just go at it a little bit. Cleans it out nicely. So just imagine any kind of crusty hole like that, and you have an assortment of different brushes of different sizes. And if you need to go even a step further, then you can take the little polishing brush and you could really clean it out beautifully. And they attach, you know, right to your drill. So I've been using this setup, you know, for quite a while, especially on, you could use it on carburetor chambers, anything that's got carbon buildup or Loctite buildup or any kind of buildup, and it can be on anything you can imagine, where you can just clean out the inside of chambers and holes and whatnot, even if you're trying to clear out the intake manifold or even exhaust manifold or something like that. You know, I use the bristle brush technique for cleaning out all sorts of stuff, and it does a really good job. You know, if you see the awesome little work stand we've been working with here, it's called a workstation, I call it. It is what we can use to hold the crankcase in place to do things, you know. Thoroughly pleased with it, you know, how easily it works, especially for doing videos. But, you know, as far as doing work and all that, check out the, we'll put it in the comments and the description of where you can get a little workstation like this, or you can just get the top section that I'm using right here. But thoroughly pleased with it, and we have no affiliation with Motorsport Products, the company, but just awesome, you know. So if you do your own work on your bikes and whatnot, this thing is fantastic. Anyway, that's about it for now. Biker Dave in East Cobb, Marietta, Georgia. And check out our other videos. We always have stuff going on that may entertain or teach you something. So that's it for now. Y'all have a great afternoon.